logs up Kirk's way. Here. Stand back in the shade and you'll see.
What do you mean? There's no shade here.
No, turn it there.
I see.
Try and keep that spot for you, got it?
I can't see it.
I know, just turn it towards you.
Alright. I can't see this at all. I don't know. You're working. Carl's a big boy. He's hurting a huge log into the ramp. Then a truck, my truck, he's heaving it up there. He works his ass off sometimes, and I don't understand it.
Go ahead.